Hello Team TFT and welcome back to another installment of the Daily Market Outlook video. Today we're going to cover all the usuals, the dollar currency index, the Euro USD and the GBP USD pairs. Firstly, we'll jump over to the economic calendar here and have a bit of a look. So basically first up here we can see today at the start of the New York, we do have a fair bit of red news there. So just be careful if you're trading the New York session. We do have a lot of red news coming in this week around that New York session time. So just be careful of that when you're looking to trade this week. Anything in the London session should be pretty safe. But remember, obviously we can get that volatility leading into news as well. So anyway, having a look at the DXY at the moment. So basically we can see here we have, had this fall. We've had a bit of a retrace. We've broken market structure there. And now we're having a bit of a pullback. So what we would think to expect here is that we may see, if we zoom in a little bit down here, we see this last impulse down to the downside. We see we've set a bit of a support level through there. So we bounce. We've come out, we've retested that level and taken off. So it's pretty safe to say that there's probably an origin block in here that we could be coming back for. We also have some 4-hour imbalance here that needs to be filled, and there's a block there as well. So you could actually come in and take that last bearish candle as well as possible area to go long from. So we could be seeing a 4-hour pull down into this area before looking to see a higher retrace. But at this point in time, 4-hour is clearly bearish. We can see here that we've been bullish and we've come up, we've broken structure now down to the downside. And as of recent, we can see here we've had a push down, pull back up, push down, pull back up, and push down. So we are currently working within the 4-hour leg between here and here. So if we drop down now to the 15-minute, now we've got an idea of where we're actually working within. We see this big gap in the market right here. That's, first of all, that's a big area that we need to obviously identify. We see that the market gapped open. It tried to retrace a little bit and pull back down. So most of the times these gaps do get filled. So that to me is a big area there that we could be looking to go short from. We're building a little bit of liquidity here on top of these two highs like this. So we may see a push up sweep of liquidity into this area and then to go short again. So basically that's what I'd be looking for at the moment, is a short out of this area, or we see a continuation from the down, low, come back up, internal, and then go low again. Jumping over to Euro USD. So yesterday we didn't really see much. So we saw obviously Friday consolidated, big rise there, bit of a pullback, consolidation in this area for the start of the Asian yesterday. Then we saw a push higher, bit of a sell-off down to fill a bit of this 15-minute liquidity here. And then obviously looking to go long. Now, obviously, at the moment, the 4-hour is very, the 4-hour on Euro is obviously opposite to the daily. And we can see here that opposite to the Dixie, sorry. And we are long at the moment. So we've seen this pull up and then we've seen this big pull back for a little while. We actually came down, tapped into this zone that we identified a few weeks ago, tapped into there, and now we've got a big rejection taking out liquidity highs. So, there's a couple of areas here that we could be going for. But we see on the 4-hour, we are working within this big leg, and the 15-minute is still definitely bullish. So what we're looking for at the moment is a continuation, strong bullish. We can see here we've bullish there with higher highs and higher lows. So with this week obviously came down and filled most of this imbalance area here. So we probably assume that we're going to come down at least to this area here to go long. But we do have a little bit of unfilled imbalance there as well. So we also need to identify that as an area that could be traded into as well. So basically, thoughts for today is we see out of the Asian range, we see a pull down into this area to go long, or also into this area to go long, or we see a break of the recent high, retest around the center line and go long again. Sorry. Apologies. GU. So now GU, we jump out to the 4 hour. Obviously, it's a little bit different to the Euro and Dixie. We can see here that we are very bearish at the moment. So we've seen this impulse up. We've had a pullback. We've had a retry for the high, failed to break, and now we've come down and we've set a new low. And now we're wicked up above. We've wicked up above these liquidity highs. We've wicked up above these liquidity highs here. And now we're coming up into this origin block here, which obviously has been yet to be retested. So for today, we drop down the 15-minute. Looking at a possible rejection out of that box area. So again, we are bullish, but we wait to see for a possible push up. If we come down, break these lows, then we can see a retest to go short. But again, moving into this area, we just got to be careful. Does it follow Euro and Dixie and look to go long, or does look to continue long, or do we see a rejection from this area coming short? Something we obviously need to wait and identify and see what comes out of that area. Anyway, guys, thanks for jumping on today, and I'll see you again tomorrow after the red news today, and we'll do a bit further analysis. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.